Hello guys and welcome back to Codeflix. So we are starting a new video tutorial series on, as you can see, SQL. So this is the first video of SQL and I'll try to keep the videos very short and sweet, and will try to convey as much as I want in those short videos. So I'll try to keep them from 2 to 3 minutes. So in this video we will see what SQL is. So as you can see, I have opened a Wikipedia page, and as you can see, SQL stands for Structured Query Language. So as you can see, SQL is a structured query language and it is used to convey or to talk with the database. So if we want to talk to database, we need some language to talk with it, right? To get the data, to update the data, to put the data. So SQL is used for talking with the database, and there are a few relational database management system. As you can see, it is an RDBMS, which is Relational Database Management System, and this is the structure of RDBMS. So as you can see, there's a disk here which contains all of our data, which is known as the database, which contains our data, the tables, the rows, the columns, the indexes. There are few logs, control files, and then there's a short memory which controls some metacode, the SQL statements that we perform. There are few cache tables and rows and something in it, indexes in it, and then there are a few processes of reading and writing on the database. So this is what basically looks like a database server as a whole, and we use SQL to talk with it. And as you can see, this is the website W3 Schools, and it pretty much explains what SQL is. So it's a structured query language. We can say SQL, many say SQL, you can say whatever you like. So basically we use it to manipulate databases, and there are SQL is a very powerful language, and we can see it can do a lot of things. It can execute queries, retrieve data from database, insert, update, delete, create new database, set permissions, and much more can be done using SQL. Now SQL is a language, but it comes in many forms. You might have heard about Oracle or Microsoft SQL, MySQL, which is known as MySQL. Then there's a SQL which comes along with PHP which we have done in our past videos. So it comes in a lot of forms, but SQL is a standard, and that's a language we mostly use, and it's similar major commands which we use in pretty much all of those versions of SQL. And we can use SQL in a website and do a lot of things using it. And here's a basic example. Select star, which gets all the customers from the customer table. So that pretty much is SQL, and you can think of it like a big warehouse which consists of a lot of tables in the form of data tables, and from that data table SQL goes into that warehouse and brings out the data which we need, or updates the data which we want it to. So that pretty much is SQL, and from the next video we will see how to implement these things in our SQL.